Hi there, today I'm going to talk about word formation, root or base. In English grammar, a base is a formal word to which prefixes and suffixes can be added to create new words. For example, instruct is a base to from instruction, where shown is the suffix. Instructor, where or is the suffix, and instruction, where re is a prefix and shown is a suffix. The prefix always goes before the root and suffix at the end of the root. It is also called root or stem. Put another way, stem forms a word that are not derived from or composed of other words. According to Ingo Black, the term root is used as an indivisible part. It's the word that have complete meaning. Examples: widget, widget, fidget, refrigerate, splendor, splendid, candor, candy, valid, valor, Patrick, butterfly, Hamish, Hamid. If you can see the pronunciation, even the accent is in a different position. The accent is when we talk about stress. Here we have another example. Undressed and careless. Undressed, and is a prefix, dress is a stem, ed is a suffix. Why is about morpheme? Morpheme is the morpheme that doesn't have a meaning isolated or alone. However, the free morpheme had a meaning without any prefix or suffix. Derivation and orientation of morphemes. I am going to talk about a little more about morphology. We use these morphemes to make new words or make words of a different grammatical category from the same. What I mean with grammatical category? For example, noun, verb, adjectives, or adverbs. For example, the addition to the derivation of morphemes change the adjective good to the noun goodness. The noun care can become the adjective careful of carelessness by addition to the derivation of morpheme full of fullness. That means we can change verb to noun, noun to verb, adjective to adverb, and so on. A derivation of morphemes will include suffixes such as ish, in, like in foolish, lie, like in quickly, and dement in impediment. The list will also include prefixes such as re, pre, ex, miss, go, and so on. For example, Jim's and sister are really different. Here, different is a noun. However, if we change or we drop the ent, we have a verb. In the second one is like to have fun and always laughing. Laugh is a verb. However, if we add ing, it becomes a verb. The other like to read as a child and has always taken things seriously. Seriously is an adverb. One is a louder person in the house, and the other is quieter than a mouse. It is comparative. Here we can see how we can change a noun to an adverb, a noun to a verb. Here we have a noun. A noun, we see an S at the end. We are talking about possessive or about plural. When we talk about the verb, we add S, ing, ed. We can change the verb to a noun. In adjective, when we want to change to an adjective, we add er or es. Those mean comparative.